ZedRunner DIY detailer here, F-Type audio project. Second phase of it, the rear speakers takes a big step forward again today. So having paused it for the Subaru Forester Back to Life project, while that's away getting some professional welding done, another package has arrived. I've successfully test fitted the rig that I've made, and I've got another delivery today. Okay, here we go. So the returns letter. This is the Axton ATW20 8-inch or 20cm subwoofer. I've gone for this one. I wanted to get as large an 8 in if I could in the backs of the car, and I've just managed to find a way to do it, I think. There's a little bit of fine tuning needed, but I'm confident I can do it. So I've got the second one. So we're going to do a quick unboxing. I've gone for this because it matches the power rating and impedance I need for the factory amplifier. I'm not using any DSPs yet. I might do that very soon, and I'm not changing the amplifiers again just yet, but this can cope. It's a dual voice coil subwoofer, and each voice coil is 2 ohm, and that's exactly what I needed for the back of the F-Type. So let's have a look. As we open it up, you get your specification sheet. So it talks about the impedances, power handling, mounting depth and stuff like that, and the enclosure sizes. So that's useful. And just take a look at how good that looks in the box. How good does that look? Let's get it out. So you don't get any mounting hardware. No, it's literally what you see is what you get. But that's it. I particularly like the very rigid cone. You're just pushing even right at the very edge here. The entire cone moves. It doesn't distort around where you're putting pressure on it. That's very, very, very impressive. So if you look at the back, it's quite heavy. I will put the protective cover back on. There you go. So if I get it right way up. So here you can see the 2 voice coils here. Positive terminal is the larger one in this instance. 75 watt RMS, 150 watt peak, and it's 2 times 2 ohm voice coils in there. That's exactly what I need for my car. Mounting depth. It's actually really shallow. It's less intrusive into the enclosure that's in the back of the car than the factory. The factory sub comes back to here. It's a ridiculous design. It's a crazy thing. So this is pretty good. What we're going to try and do is create a sealed enclosure for it as best we can. So we're going to be lining the back of the space behind the subwoofer with some sort of fibrous matting to sort of dampen any sound waves in the back of the speaker enclosure. And we're also going to fit either side of it some more of this matting to stop leakage around the back of the carpet trim. So there will be 2 of these in the back of the F-Type, and just above them, sitting above them on the rig, will be little focal mids, which I'll hopefully show you a picture now on the video. So that's it. This is the Axton ATW20 subwoofer. Look at that, what a beauty. Cannot wait to get that rigged up in the car. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video of the Axton ATW20 subwoofer. It's 20cm or 8-inch subwoofer. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, because next few videos you'll see this being hooked up into my F-Type R Coupe, 2017 F-Type R, and hopefully we'll get some tests done before and after. We're going to get some decibel readings and some recordings of the music as well. I'm going to play a few different types of tracks to give you an idea of the performance of these speakers. They'll take some time to bed in and break in, obviously, but we'll give you an idea of the day one performance of them. Really excited about that. Thanks for tuning in.